In this life, there is always going to be someone that is better than you. You will accomplish a goal, and then you will turn around and see that someone has done it even better. Then you will go and chase that goal. And you'll accomplish that goal, and you'll see someone has done it even better. Then you'll try to accomplish an even bigger goal. Then you'll accomplish that goal, and you'll see that it hasn't made you happy, it hasn't satisfied you yet, and you want to accomplish a bigger goal, and that someone has done it even better. The choice that you can make, though, is choosing the shit that you do want to do. It can be shit. Everything can be shitty. Everything can be horrible. But what you have to do is choose the shit that you do want to do. It's not about avoiding the shit. It's about embracing the shit. When you find that shit that you do want to do it with pride and joy. Work on it like your life depends on it. Embrace the shit. Then you'll be happy. Happiness isn't about seeking the positive in everything. Happiness isn't standing in front of the mirror and saying, I want to be happy today. That's fake. Happiness is about accepting the negatives in your life. Accepting the shits in your life. Happiness is about embracing what is hard, embracing adversity, laughing at the doubters, laughing at the haters, and moving forward and never giving up. My name is Noah. Thanks for watching. Peace.